Welcome to Real Estate Investment Management Brokerage Development LLC brick making of cultured stones yourself to control costs. When we went to find out how much it was going to be to make bricks, our initial quote was about $1,500. And we thought, okay, that's all right. And then building material prices went up. And so we needed an alternative. So what we did was we bought molds and we learned how to make cultured stone ourselves. And so what we're going to do today is reveal how we did it. First, I'll give you a tour. We liked this dark colored brown stone. We couldn't get it anywhere. And so we needed to source a place where we could find dye. And then we found that dye, and an interesting part about it was dye for the cement is made from crushed up used brake pads we found. And here's our little friend here. And so depending upon how they crush up these used brake pads, you'll get a different color. So we're going to reveal to you our formula and recipe and tell you how you do it. Okay, so this is our workstation. We have a bucket with dye here, and our recipe is that you can't have more than 7.5% dye in your mixture. So we take 60-pound bags of cement. We divide it in half, so that's 30 pounds, and 16 ounces in a pound times 30 pounds is a number. And we can't have more than 3.5 pounds of dye in our 30 pounds of cement that we mix. A cup of cement is about 0.86 pounds, so we do 1 cup per 30-pound bags of cement. And the cement we put in a sealable container when we're transporting it because we don't want to breathe it in. And we just got this cement here. Secrete high strength mixed. And then we put it in a bucket. Bucket is about 2 pounds. And then so we weigh it. We put 30 pounds of cement, and then we add 7 cups of water here into this bucket. And so we put the dry ingredients here. We put the 7 cups of water first. Then we add the 1 cup of dye, and we mix it. So we're mixing with this drill with a mixing paddle. So we're mixing at first just the water and the dye to get that diluted nicely. Then we add the cement slowly, a little bit at a time, up to 30 pounds, and mix it. And then we transport it with a dolly, and we put it into one of these molds. Now, after we put it into the mold, when we put it in the mold, we kind of pack it in with this tool, and then we put a metal plate like this, and then we turn on this sander to vibrate the cement to compaction so air bubbles come out. After that, we wait 2 days at least, and then we take them out of the mold and we get bricks like this. Now we rough up the backside because we're going to be applying that onto the face. So we need something to adhere to, but that's what we get. And now notice there are two types of bricks we make. We make this kind, and then we make this edge up here. And to get that edge to stay, it's really heavy. Here's our friend again. We embed metal into the cement for the top edge. Now, so let me show you those molds. These standard molds cost us about $1,200. And then these edge molds, if you look in here, they just had the exterior edge. We had to build these frames at a certain height for the top edge. So we hope this video helps you understand how to make cultured stone yourself with molds, with the edge and in the main facing stones. Thank you very much.